Hi, fifth grade. This is Mrs. King, and this is Friday's Math, March 27th. Okay, we are on lesson 10.4, and that's on page 498, so go ahead and get that page open and ready. And we will begin. Okay, we're dividing unit fractions by whole numbers. Therefore, we're dividing a fraction as our dividend divided by a whole number as our divisor. Let's look at this tape diagram to look at their example. All right, you see we have one unit broken down into thirds, and that third is broken down 4 ways. So the third is broken down into fourths, which represents 1/12. Let's look at that the same way that we learned yesterday with our keep, change, flip. 1/3 divided by 4. And again, we're going to keep, change, and flip. All right, so we're going to keep the 1/3. We're going to keep our dividend. We're going to change our division to multiplication. And as a whole number, a 4 as a whole number is actually 4/1. So now we're going to flip that to where it's 1/4. Remember, whole numbers always have an understood 1 under them. So now we have our problem 1 times 1 and 3 times 4. So our fraction is 1/12. So 1/3 divided into by 4 is 1/12. Let's look at number 1. Let me erase that. We'll keep, change, flip. Okay, let's look at number 1, and it is 1/4 divided by 2 as a whole number. So if you even want to do that, you can. And we're going to keep, change, flip. So we're going to keep the 1/4. We're going to change that to multiplication, and we're going to flip those around. Now it's 1/2. And now we get 1 times 1 is 1, and 4 times 2 is 8. Therefore, 1/8 is what you get when you divide 1/4 divided by 2. Okay, let's look at number 2. Let's see if I can fit this in here. Number 2 is 1/2 divided by 5. Okay, so let's keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. We're going to do 1/2. Keep it. We're going to change that. Remember, this is actually this, so we're going to flip that around to 1/5. So 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 5 is 10. Therefore, 1/10 is our answer. Okay, so really it's very similar to what we learned yesterday. Okay, so you're going to do page 499 and 500 for your classwork today. Should take you about 30 minutes, 35 minutes. And then your homework, page 501 and 502, odds only, about another probably 20 to 30 minutes. And take a picture of that and send it to me by 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. All right, thank you guys. See you later.